It's a Catamaran 1991. Here's the blueprints of it. It's a Carlton Ultimate Concept. This is when you first walk in. You can see the mildew in the headliner. And it was worse under it. You can see where it was pulled. And there used to be a bench there. That's the other side, the other bench. They were both ripped out. And there was also a wall that I had to take out too because it was completely rotten. You can see the wall there on the bench number 2. And that's after it was all removed. And the headliner was ripped out. And here's after I primed and painted and scrubbed all the headliner off. And this is the galley. And the entrance to the galley when you step down. I had to take out all that cabinet. It was falling apart. That's me taking apart the galley. The sink, I had to rip out everything. All the headliners pulled there. And you can see overhead, everything that was left behind from the headliner is black. And this is it now. This is a little corner by the main berth that I had to rip out. You can see it there. There used to be a refrigerator there that didn't work. And this is it so far now. And this is in the very front, the main berth or room. All that headliner had to come out. It was nothing but mildew and rot behind it. And that's the last wall I had to pull that was in the front. And here you can see I pulled it out. And this is it so far now. I'm leaving the floor up until I get all the wiring that's under the floor changed. This is the entrance floor that I had to remove. Now this is the bathroom or the head. This is before. See how bad the walls were? The teak was really bad. And now you see where the headliner had to be ripped out and what was left behind. This is it now so far till I put the head or the toilet back in. Okay, this is the rear bunk number 1 with the headliner that had to be removed. You can see all the mildew and mold that was in there. Everything had to be ripped out. And this is it now so far. I still have to do a wall. And this is the bunk number 2 on the opposite side. And this is it so far after ripping out and cleaning out the headliner. This is the big cutout I did first time. And this is the one I just finished. This needs to be open so I can work in there. You can see the cut line. It's the before. It's to make more head space. And this is the finished one.